Clary sage. Clary-sage. Clary sage was highly valued during the Middle Ages for its ability to heal all sorts of eye problems, called claros, meaning clear. It was later transformed into clary. Part of its Latin name, salvia, means to save. Rightly so, as clary sage enjoys a reputation as a sort of cure-all because its white literally is used successfully to restore health in a variety of areas. Egyptians loved clary sage for its purported ability to cure infertility. The Greeks, Romans, and Chinese love it because it held promise to assure long life. And 16th century Englanders loved it as a replacement for hops to brew beer. Clary sage is also a favorite of creative types who swear that its fragrance is inspirational. Why not open a bottle yourself and take a whiff? Maybe clary sage will inspire you to greatness. Therapeutic uses: anxiety, back pain, decreased libido, depression, digestive disorders, insomnia, inflammation, menopause, neck strain, nervous tension, muscle pain, menstrual syndrome, respiratory health, skin problems, stress. Essential oils application for clary sage. For anxiety, decreased libido, depression, insomnia, menopause, nervous tension, and stress, use 2 to 3 drops as a vapor therapy or use in a diffuser or lamp ring. Can also add 2 to 3 drops to a carrier oil and massage on body. For back pain, neck strain, and skin problems, mix 2 to 3 drops of oil with 2 to 3 drops of liquid lanolin and apply to problem areas for relief. For discomfort associated with menopause or menstrual syndrome, use 4 to 5 drops in bath water for a relaxing soak. You can also use 2 to 3 drops on a handkerchief and inhale during time of discomfort. However, do not inhale for long periods of time, as prolonged exposure could cause a headache. For respiratory problems, place 2 to 3 drops of oil in a diffuser or lamp ring. Clary sage mixes well with these other oils: anise, bergamot, cedarwood, citrus oil, clove, frankincense, geranium, grapefruit, hyssop, jasmine, juniper, lavender, lime, marjoram, nutmeg, palmarosa, patchouli, pine, rose, tangerine, tea tree, and thyme. These oils mixes well with clary sage oil. Safety information: avoid during pregnancy. Long periods of inhalation could cause headaches. Alcohol consumption while using clary sage could increase the effects of alcohol, so it's wise not to imbibe during use. Imbibe, imbibe, during use. Fun fact about clary sage: centuries ago, German winemakers added clary sage to inferior wines to make them more intoxicating. That's the fun fact. Again, this is on clary sage. I am not a doctor. I do not prescribe medication. This is just information. Use it wisely the best way you can. This is all the information about Clary Sage. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. Please like, please share, please subscribe. Always remember self first. Love self plenty, take care of self. And I will see you in another video. If you're looking for this eyeshadow look, it is listed on my YouTube channel. Check it out. Simple eyeshadow look number 21. Thanks again. Bye. Bye.